Do you know most graphic designers actually charge between $15 to $100 to create for you a logo, to design for you a logo, whether it's for your business or for your podcast or for whatever it is. Between $15 to $100 for just basic services. And what I mean by that is for just basic logos. If you want cream de la cream of the logos, if you want top of the range designers, top of the range graphic designers, professional designers, they will charge you between $100 to as high as $1,000 for just a logo. But did you know that you can actually create your own logo using Canva? Yes, you can create your own logo using Canva without any scale, without any graphic design scale. Well, if you have the money to pay a graphic designer, then it will do you well to pay a professional graphic designer. But if you are going to pay a basic graphic designer, if you're going to just spend money with any graphic designer to create for you a logo, you'd rather go to canva.com and start creating your own logos. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own logo from scratch using Canva. Now, before I take you through how you can be able to create your logo using Canva, I just want us to check how much some of these graphic designers charge to design a logo. Now, let's go to Canva. Let's go to Canva right away and see. Now, when you come to Canva, by the way, before we proceed, please ensure that you subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be doing a number of tutorials, that I will be posting on this channel on how, for instance, there is a tutorial that is coming up on how you can be able to use Fiverr to start an online business using a number of other tools, such as AI tools, to be able to create and deliver services that you are not skilled in. You're going to leverage these two AI tools and then sell those services on Fiverr. Now, that video is coming up, guys. Please subscribe and then let's explore this together. Now, let's go to graphics and design. Now, when you come there, you click on logo design. Let's just check how much these graphic designers are selling on Fiverr. How much they're selling logo services. Now look at this. Okay, this would probably be the lowest. From as low as $15. And by the way, that, as I told you guys, that is always just the basic service, and it's very limited. When you click on some of them, you'll realize that they charge higher if you want premium service. Now if you look at that, this is charging as high as $80. So you look at the different, they're charging differently. Now, of course, guys, sometimes cheap is expensive. You may end up paying $15, but really end up not getting the quality logo that you wanted. So you'd rather just go to Canva and create your own logo. Now, let's check. What about the professional graphic designers, the pro guys, the expert of this game? Now let's see how much they charge. You see, for a single logo, this guy is charging as high as $130. And if you scroll down, we are going to see some of them charging as high as $200. If you scroll down, you see some $560. So guys, if you explore this platform, you'll realize that there are guys charging as high as $1,000 to create for you a single logo, guys. So let's go back to how you can create your own logo. So assuming you want to start your business, you want to start your podcast, or you want to start maybe selling online, and you don't want to spend money, you want to spend money maybe creating a logo, you don't want to spend money to paying a graphic designer. You can actually use Canva. Now let's check. So you go to canva.com, and by the way, I'm going to put the link to Canva down on the description box. So please click on that link and you will be able to access this platform. So you come to create a design at the top right corner. You click on that. When you click on that, you're gonna see here if they've already suggested for you. They've already suggested for you a logo. So let's click on that. So when you click on that, guys, what happens is that Canva will give you a list of several logos, several logo templates that you can be able to choose from and just customize. Now look at this logo, guys. If you're starting a studio, or if you're starting, I just like the color code. And let me just click on it so that you can be able to see it clearly. Let me click on the plus sign so that you can see it. Look at that. That is really, really classy, guys. This is really classy, guys. This is something you can be able to create from your laptop without any skill, with zero skill, guys, because you will just need to use these templates and be able to create whatever logo that you want. Now, I'll advise you that before you start to create your logo, the first thing you need to do is to choose templates that are relevant to the industry that your company is in. Now, you will just come to the search bar and search, for instance, assuming your company is a fintech company. You can click on search on fintech and click that. And then you're going to get a list of logo templates that are designed for fintech companies. For fintech companies. Like, for instance, this one, this scale up, it's a nice logo if you're maybe your company is an investment company, or even this one. There are a number of options that you can actually select from here, guys. So let me just try another one, maybe a transport company or logistics company. You can see this one if your company is a logistics company. This one, you can, their option. I like this one, guys. I like this one. If you are starting a logistics company, now I'm going to use, for instance, this one. Let me take this one and let it be our template for today, assuming you want to create a logistics company. So once you click on it, it's gonna come into it's gonna present itself on the editor part. Then you can be able to edit every part of this logo as you want it. Now, the first thing I can start with, I can decide to change the color of this truck. I'll click on that, click there. Then I can change the red here to blue. I can change the red there to blue, and then the white part in it, I can change it to be black, or I can change it to be red. So I love a truck that has a red and has a blue on it. So depending with the color codes, you can decide to put whichever color that you want, guys. Whichever color that really pleases you. Then when you come to this as well, to the wording, you can now decide to write the name of your logistics company here, where after it, I'll just leave it at that with this name, but I can also just change it so that we have a different feel of it. Let's say Ben Logistics. Now, if this is my logistics company, then this is my tagline. I can be able to edit the tagline as well, and you can move it around the way you like. So I can be able to change as well this this font. I can change it to Banoru. You can play around with it, guys. You can play around with it the way you want, the way you please. The best graphic, the best that pleases you, the best font that pleases you there. You can be able as well to reduce this or remove it entirely. I can decide to click this and then remove it entirely so that it remains that clean, right, guys. Then another thing that you can do that I want to show you is you can actually add other elements. You can come there under elements and search for whatever elements that you want to add. You can even change the track. We can click search track. Then once you get the track, you get different options of tracks. You can click on graphic, and then you get the tracks in different forms. You get the tracks in different forms, guys. You can be able to get this. You can be able to use this if it's a delivery company, for instance. You are dealing with maybe different. You can change the tracks. I can remove this track and add this track to the logo. Whichever works for you guys, whichever fits the purpose for which you do the delivery. Whether it's a food delivery, you can be able to choose that. If it is not, maybe it's maybe a logistics company that deals with different goods. You can be able to choose a longer track, whichever works for you guys. Then after that, guys, you can come to the fonts here, to the text here. You can choose from a variety of fonts that you want to use in your logo. These are just different options of fonts that you can be able to select from. Yeah, these are different options of fonts, and you just need to click on it, and then it will appear on your design there, and you can be able to then edit it from there. Yeah, it can appear like that, and you can be able to edit it from there, right? So let me just click on this and remove it. So once you click on it, you are able to edit it from scratch, guys. You are able to edit it from scratch, but I'll just remove that for now. Now from brand here, if you have your logos designed here, maybe you wanted to add this is for the purpose of a different designs. If you've already designed your logo, you can make it part of your brand kit, so that when you want to, maybe you're designing other things, maybe videos, maybe posters, you just need to transfer that brand kit, that brand, and use it on your other designs. Now if you've downloaded or if you want to upload a different image, a foreign image, and be able to use it on your logo, you can as well do that here. You can upload a logo and do that here. If you want to add some drawings, you can be able to do that as well. But really, my advice is that you stick to the templates that they provide for you in this platform, because they are already well designed. Now, guys, I thought I chose the best one. Now look at this. Let me just open it as a new page. Look at that. A very unique logo, guys. This is a very unique logo. Probably the best logo, guys. Now, let me just change something here, because you can't download it entirely just as a let me just change a few designs here. Then change that to red. Then let's leave it as Spencer, guys. And then see if you can be able to download this. Yeah. So you can, once you're finished, you can be able to download your logo. Just click at the top right corner, click share, and then scroll down, and then you can be able to click this download button here. Then, guys, you can download it as a PNG, as a PDF, as a JPG. So here they recommend that you download it as a PNG. If you choose JPG, ensure you push the quality up to up to 100%. But if you choose PNG, often it will come already set with the quality, the recommended quality. Now, if the sizes as well, you can be able to play around with the sizes depending on where you want to use the logo, or if you are creating it for someone else, then you need to ask them for what purpose and where they're going to use them, so that you can be able to download it in the exact size that you need it. Now, let's click download and see. Now, because I've created two logos here on this, I'm just going to click there to only download the second page, the one that we have created. Let me just download this other one. There you go. In a minute, guys, and we have our logo. Let me just show you this. Let me just show you that logo. There we go, guys. We have our logo. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next video.